So, we're in Los Angeles on the third day it rains all year, right? And we're actually going to location scout where we're going to be shooting a brand new commercial for Scentsational Soaps. Shea butters, candles, good smells, that kind of thing. So we're going to see what kind of space we have and all the logistics that we will need next month. So here it is. You mind standing over there so I have a reference? 5 for 10 mil. Got about, what was that, 6 feet, 6'6" in height. And so a table, I would stretch kind of about,
maybe about 6 feet
here.
long.
I think longer.
Can
we find a 10-foot table?
I could try. If you want 10 foot with nice floor and that tray at the bottom, so she can have her stuff at the bottom. She's gonna pick them up and put them on top.
So for this ad, we are gonna base it on the queen of domestic everything, Martha Stewart. We want fresh images, nice and warm and clean, and we want to show Tashanta in that light. And we're gonna shoot actually in Tashanta's backyard in front of her fence, but we did get that long table, and we also got flower holders and some potted plants to have up there. And we're gonna keep everything nice and green. We're gonna start with Tashanta emerging from the factory. She's gonna put on her apron. She's gonna bring the ingredients to the table. She's gonna mix the products. We're gonna get a nice slow-mo of her pouring honey or some other ingredient into a bowl. Then we're gonna get her mixing the products. We're gonna get good product shots of the soap, of the candles, and the body mist. Then we're gonna get a family shot, because in it she says that she's a mom. I actually want to show that she's a mom. I want you to get just a glimpse of her family life, just for a second. And at the very end, we're gonna have the major product reveal at the end, where there's an assortment of all her products, where she mentions going to www.scentsationalsoaps.com. That's the plan. Matter of fact, I'll still do it, but
Hi everyone, my name is Cheyenne from Strasboro, and I'm here with 821 Palm Studios, and I'm ready to have a great shoot.
What you got going on, Mr. PA?
I'm getting the client's script together right now.
Okay.
13 years ago, I was out of work and helping my daughter with a school project, and I discovered how vibrant the natural world can be. We learned how to make our own candles, soaps, and body butters from scratch.
Cut the audio out. So basically, whenever you take a breath, it comes in basically.
You can't do that in the bathhouse?
No, it has to be where you are. So she's gonna mix the products on this one
Yeah, stir.
at the table. So we are on our martini shot.
Thank you.
And for those who don't know what a martini shot is, that means it's the second to last shot of the day. It's all set up right here. We have a whole product line here. We filmed her making soap in this commercial, so you're seeing all of it from scratch. Quick shot of everybody. You're looking at a month of work right now to prepare for this. One more.
Get your soaps, candles, and body mist at Scentsationalsoaps.com.
And action.
Get your soap, candles, and body.
Well, it's a wrap with Scentsational Soaps. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for letting us bring your vision to life.
Thank you so much. You guys were so professional. I appreciate you guys.
All the love.
Bye.
821 Palm Studio. Woo!
13 years ago, I was out of work and helping my daughter with a school project. We learned how to make our own candles, soaps, and body butters from scratch, infusing honey, shea, coconut, olive oil, and more into new possibilities. No harsh chemicals or animal testing with local source ingredients. I'm Tashanta Hogan, entrepreneur and mom, and I want you to feel sensational. Get your soaps, candles, and body mist at Scentsationalsoaps.com.
Action.
We learned how to make our own candles, soaps, and body butters from scratch.